Hi friends, welcome to all of you in Basic Vedic Mathematics course. So far you have done many lessons and I think you have done some practice also in your practice session 1. So how do you like it? How do you enjoy it? Are you enjoying doing Vedic Mathematics? I hope so. So today what you are going to do? We are going to do today multiplication, a special type of multiplication of numbers below common base. Multiplication of numbers below base. And the base, as you know, again I remind you, is a number which is nearest 10, 100, 1000, etc. Those are all bases of numbers. So that today we will see that multiplication of numbers below the common base. Now below the common base, the base is 10 and the number is 8, which is below 10. Similarly, the number 9 is below the base. If it is near the base, it's more easier to do. So what is the process? Let us try to multiply this thing. Just follow me. Here the base is 10. Now what you do is, first thing is, we have to find out the difference between the number and the common base. And for doing that, we should write 8 minus 10. And 8 minus 10 is equal to what? Minus 2. So minus 2 is the difference, remember it. 8 minus 10 is minus 2. Now what we are going to do? We are going to write this number, this difference of minus 2 here. Similarly, the difference of number 9 from the base 10 is minus 1. Right? Now we are in a position to do our multiplication. Make a cross multiplication of these two. Cross. Now here 9 minus 2. Right? 9 minus 2 and 8 minus 1. What is the difference? 9 minus 2 is 7. Similarly, 8 minus 1 is 7. So either you do this or you do this, it will become all the same. So the first part of the answer will be what? 8 minus 1 or 9 minus 2, and that's equal to 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. This is the first part of the answer. The second part of the answer is minus 2 into minus 1 is 2, and that is the second part of the answer. The answer is 72. Right? And indeed 8 into 9 is 72. This is very simple. 8 into 9, you know that. But I am simply telling you the process, because when you do a bigger number, a 2-digit number or 3-digit number, and you will see that this has become very easy for you to do, right? So what you have done, once again, the difference from the base is minus 2. Here the difference from the base is minus 1. Now you take cross operation, 9 minus 2 or 8 minus 1 is same, 7. And then 2 into 1, minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. In fact, you can do it mentally also, right? So we have seen how to do this multiplication. Now let us see another question. The similar question, 7 into 9, right? Here, the difference from the common base 10 is minus 3 and the difference from the common base is minus 1 here, right? Sorry, minus 1 and minus 3, well. Now, make the cross operation, 9 minus 3 is 6 or 7 minus 1 is 6. All the same, so it's 6 here and minus 3 into minus 1 is 3. Just remember the sign also. But later on we'll find this is relevant. Minus 3 into minus 1 is 3. So write down 3, 7 9 are 63. Right? It's quite easy because there is one digit only. Now let us do the same thing with 2 digits. Let's do the same thing with the 2 digits. So let us take an example of, say, number 92 and 96. And these two numbers are near common base and the common base is 100. Right? So what you will write here? 92 minus 100. I told you 92 minus 100. The number minus the base. 92 minus 100 is minus 8. And 96 minus 100 is what? Minus 4. So what you have done? 92 minus 100 minus 8. 96 minus 100 is minus 4. And then The first part of the answer will be cross operation. Since this is minus, you will reduce it from 96. We'll subtract it from 96. 96 minus 8 or 92 minus 4, it's all the same and it becomes 88. 96 minus 8 is 88 or 92 minus 4 is also 88, and then there is minus 8 into minus 4 is 32. So the second part you should remember, in second part you should see how many zeros are there in the base. If there are 2 zeros, so you can put 2 digits here. If there is 1 0, you can put only 1 digit here. Now here this becomes 4 into 8, 32. It's already 2 digit and we require 2 digits. So there is no issue, there is no problem. We'll simply write 8832. Are you getting my point? The first word you have done, 92 minus 4 is 88. 96 minus 8 is also 88. And the second part, the multiplication of minus 8 into minus 4 is 32. Now you should remember that there are 2 zeros here. Since there are 2 zeros, we can put 2 digits here, so there is no issue at all. We put 32 and the answer is 8832, right? It's quite simple and quite easily you have done, and in fact, we can do it mentally. No writing. 92, you know that this 92 and 96, you see the difference of 96 is minus 4, so just cross operation, 92 minus 4 is 88, and then 4 into 8, 32, 8832, that is the answer. You can just say it mentally without even writing it, right? Okay, let us do the next problem. This problem is 86 into 98. 86 into 98. I will do it mentally now for you. The difference of 98 from its nearest base is minus 2, and make a cross operation with this. 86 minus 2 is 84. That is the first part of the answer. Are you getting my point? And here it is 86 into 98. Remember this thing. 86 into 98, because this is a smaller number, so it's better to write here because it becomes minus 14 and this becomes 2, right? So in cross operation, this is easier. 86 minus 2 is 84, or even 98 minus 4 is also 84. But this is easier. 86 minus 2 is 84, and then this is 14 into 2 is minus 14 into minus 2 is 28. There are 2 zeros here, so you write 28 here, and that is the answer 8428, right? You can do it mentally. 98, 2, cross operation 84, 14 into 2, 28, there are 2 zeros, you can just write 288428. You can do it mentally, there is no issue at all. I hope you have understood it nicely. Now let me do the next one. Now we'll see some 3-digit question. 997 into 994. Here, what is the common base? The common base is 1000. So mentally you know that common base is 1000 and the difference from this is minus 3. I'll do it mentally now. Let me do it mentally, then I'll write. 997 minus 1000 minus 3, 994 minus 100 minus 6. So there is 3 and there is 6. Now let this cross operation, 3 is reduced from here, it becomes 991, and then there is 3 and there is 6. 3 into 6 is 18, right? But then there are 3 zeros, so what is to be done? We have to add 1 0 to make it 3. Let us see it. Minus 3 and minus 6, it becomes 991. 3 into 6 is 18. This is the portion which I want you to understand clearly. This is 18. There are 3 zeros, so we require 3 digits here. If I write 18 only, it is 2 digits only. So I have to add 1 0 here. It becomes now 3 digits. The total answer is 991018. I'll repeat it once again. 997 minus 3, 994 difference minus 6. This cross operation, either 996 minus 6 is 991 or 994 minus 3 is 991. And then there is 3 into 6 is 18. There are 3 zeros here. You have to put 3 digits. So I put 1 8 and 1 0 here. So 991018, that is the answer. You can do it mentally, right? Okay, I'll do another problem of the same kind. Let us do 992 I hope you have understood by now. This is the last question which you should follow. 993. What is the... So let us first do it mentally, then you will check it. 992 minus 8, 993 minus 7. Minus 7, 992 minus 7 is 985. 85 into here 8 and 7 is 56. So 985, 56, there are 3 zeros, so we'll write 056. That's mentally his answer. So let us check it now. 992 minus 8, 993 minus 7, 992 minus 7 is 985. Well, 7 into 8 is 56 plus minus into minus 56. There are 3 zeros here, so we'll write 056 and that is the answer. I hope you have followed it. The things are very clear here and it's quite simple and quite beautiful way of doing any kind of multiplication when the numbers are below the base. Well, now I'll give you certain questions as your exercise which you should do yourself, right? The questions are, so here are exercises. Exercise Exercise 93 into 97, 84 into 92, 996 into 994, 993 into 998, these are the 4 questions I have given you which you should practice yourself, do yourself, and I hope you'll be able to do it easily. And wherever you don't follow it, just see the video so that you can understand. And otherwise also, as I always tell you that if there is any question, if there is any problem, please do write in the comments box so that I can respond to your questions, and that I'm always waiting for your responses in the comments box, right? So whatever you have done today, we have done the multiplication of numbers which are near base, in particular the below the base of 1 digit or 2 digits or 3 digits, right? So even if you do the 4 digit, you will do the same way. There is no difference at all. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share it with others so that others can also take the benefit of learning Vedic Mathematics. And as I tell you always, please do write to me if there is any question in the comments box. Well, what we are going to do the next time? Next time we are going to do the similar kind of thing. Here again, the multiplication of numbers near base, but this time it will become the above base. This time, today we have done below the base, and the next time we are going to do the questions, the numbers which are above base, how to multiply those numbers. So till the time I meet you again with my next video, with my next lesson, all the best. Please take care of yourself.